students, greetings of the day from Umadevi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 8th computer teacher. Today we are going to start the third session of our chapter number 6. So in the third session, today we are going to learn methods of applying CSS, background properties, text properties and font properties. So before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place? Are you in the proper network? Have you put a stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? And are you wearing the headphones? So after ensuring all of these things, let's start. So CSS terminology. The property. It defines how different elements look on the web page. Font family, color, background, border, all are examples of properties. A property appears before the colon in any line of CSS. Value. A value is what appears immediately after the colon in any line of CSS. It is the option chosen for a property. For example, the value for the font family property can be font name like Monotype, Cursiva, Times, Arial, etc. Declaration. A property and its value collectively is known as declaration. A declaration is generally any single line of CSS that appears between the curly braces. For example, body, curly braces, font family, okay, then Arial, sans serif, okay, then curly braces are closed, okay. So this line is a declaration. Look at here, which line? This one, okay. So this line is a declaration. So this is the property, okay, this is the value, okay, and this line is a declaration, okay. Now selector. A selector is a part of the CSS line that selects what element to target with the property value pair. For example, if you want to change the behavior of the HR element, let us say its width should be 50%, then you would use HR as your selector. Rule. Selector and declaration collectively are known as rule. Okay, look at here. The example, H1 color blue, font size 20 px. Okay, so H1 is selector, color is property, declaration is this one, property and value. Okay, then property and value is declaration, and this is the rule. Okay, selector and declaration. Okay, selector and declaration both are collectively known as rule. Methods of applying CSS. You can include the style sheet rules with an HTML document in the following given ways. Inline, the attribute style. One way to apply CSS to HTML elements is by using the style attribute. The style attribute can be used with any element in the body section, including the body tag itself. You can use any number of declaration, each one separated by a semicolon. For example, HR style, okay, is equal to width 50%, height, okay, then semicolon, height 100, then semicolon, background color blue. Okay, so this is not an efficient use of style sheet, as the declaration is to be repeated with every element, even if the same style is applied on some other element in a document. Internal or embedded style sheet. This style has wider scope than the inline method. With the inline method, the effects applied are limited to the element with which the style declaration has been specified. Whereas in the embedded style, the effects get applied to all the elements of the type with which the style declaration has been specified. So to create an embedded style sheet, you make use of style tag in the head section. Look at here, HTML head, then they have used the style tag, okay, then given they have embedded the style sheet, okay, then the style tag is closed here, okay, then head, body, HR, body, HTML. So external style sheet. In this method, you define the style rules separately in one file and then use it with any HTML document. An external style sheet is just simply a text file with an extension .css. Like any other file, you can place the style sheet with its name like style.css on your web server or hard disk. This method incorporates tool files. One file contains the style sheet code and the other file contains the HTML code. Let us use the style sheet to set various properties of body background. You will make use of embedded style sheets in this chapter. Background properties. HTML allows you to set the background style of an element with the help of the following properties: color, image, repeat, position, attachment, background color. This property is used to set the background color of HTML element. Okay, the syntax is background color, okay, value, where value equal to color, RGB color code. Okay, so look at here, this coding, HTML, head, title, okay, then title is closed here, the title is given, then style type equal to text / CSS, okay, then selector, property and value, then look at here, body, background color is yellow. So background color will be yellow. Okay, the value is yellow, so it will be yellow. Property is background color. The selector is body. Then style tag is closed here. Head and body. Head is closed. Then in body they have written whatever text they want to write. Then body tag is closed. HTML tag is closed. Now the background color will be yellow. You can look at here using background color property and changing background color. This text was written and background color is yellow. Okay. Now background image. With this property we can add an image in the background of an HTML document. Syntax is background image value, where value is equal to URL, means path of the image. It can be, the path can be, okay, from your computer or from the web also. So HTML, then head, then style type is equal to text / CSS, body, background image, URL, okay, then URL is given here, then style tag is closed, head tag is closed, then in the body they have written one paragraph, okay, the text for showing on web page, then paragraph is closed, body is closed and HTML is closed. By default background image is repeated. Okay, text properties. Text properties in cascading style sheets provide various formatting options to style the text in a web page. In the following section, you will learn about the various text properties and their usage. Text align, text decoration and color. Okay, so text align, this property is generally applied to a block of text, headings, paragraphs, etc. It is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text inside the block. The syntax is this one. Text decoration. This property specifies the decorations that can be applied to the text in a block. The syntax is this one. Color. This property helps in setting the color of the text. Okay, syntax is this one. Now, font properties. Font properties facilitate the settings and appearance of individual characters in a line of text. Font properties facilitate the settings and appearance of individual characters in a line of text. Let us discuss the various font properties. Font family. Font family specifies the prioritized lists of font to be used to display a given element or web page. The syntax is here. Generic families are groups of font names that have uniform appearances. Cursive. Family of cursive fonts which looks like handwritten text. Okay, for example, Comic Sans and Monotype Cursiva. Serif. Family of font which have finished strokes or pointed ends. Okay, for example, Times New Roman. Okay, sans serif. Family of fonts which have plain ends. Monospace. Family of fonts in which all the characters have the same fixed width. Fantasy. Family of decorative fonts. One note is given here. Though the generic family name is optional, it is advisable to use it so that if the browser does not recognize the specified font, it will use the same generic family. font size. This property is used to set the size of the text. The syntax is given here. Okay, these value can be written, okay, in font size value. Font style. This property displays the chosen font either in normal, italic or oblique. Okay. Next one, font. This property is used as a shorthand method to set all the above properties in one single declaration. Font value, where value font style, font size, font family. Example is P, font oblique 12, PX impact fantasy. So the program is here, HTML head, title is here, style type is here, body background color RGB 201, 150 and 100. Okay, so red will be 201, G will be green will be 150 and B means blue will be black will be 100. Okay, so style tag is closed, head tag is closed. In body they have given paragraph. Okay, then the paragraph style they have given font family of monotype cursiva, font size XX large. Okay, then you don't make progress by. Okay, so by standing on the slide lines, okay, whimpering and complaining. Okay, so this paragraph is written here. The style sheet is given, then again paragraph style they have given font family, okay, and the font size, then they have written next para. So like this they have given 5 times paragraph styles. Okay, then body tag is closed and HTML tag is closed. So all 5 paragraphs are in different font style, font family, okay, and font size. Okay, so dear students, this is the end of the session. This is the end of the chapter number 6 also. So the homework is you have to complete question number A, B and C in book, page number 65, and question number D answers in notebook. So dear students, you have 2 weeks to complete all the work of this chapter. All the solution you will get along with this video. So I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.